History detectives, your mission starts now. Keep your eyes open, a ghost fact could appear at any time. What was a Hooverville named after? Correct. President Herbert Hoover. Which material was essential for building the large machines and factories of the Industrial Revolution? Nailed it, iron. The participants in the Boston Tea Party disguised themselves as members of which group of people? That's right, Native Americans. Which of these agricultural practices contributed most significantly to the Dust Bowl conditions during the Great Depression? Overgrazing and intensive farming. What safety device, invented by George Westinghouse, dramatically improved train safety by allowing trains to stop more quickly? In what year did the Emancipation Proclamation go into effect? Correct, 1863. What was Leonardo da Vinci's primary profession during his time serving Cesare Borgia? Correct, military engineer. What was the name for the religious revival that swept through the colonies in the 1730s and 1740s? You got it, the Great Awakening. Which of the following was not a major factor contributing to Caesar's popularity among the Roman people? That's right, his support for the traditional aristocratic values. Which of these professions would most likely have developed a coat of arms featuring tools related to their trade? Blacksmith. New trivia every day. Tomorrow's category, geography. Be there.